Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I thought I would vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a while now, and I just feel like hanging out, doing a vlog, talking to you guys a little bit. So, Luna, what are you doing? Here's Luna Bug. So I just worked out this morning. I got up at 6 with Caleb. We worked out. I just had breakfast, and I'm actually getting ready to film. I already showered and have clothes on for the day. It's cold here. Finally in South Carolina. It's probably about 60 degrees now, and I think it's only supposed to get up to like 65 or 67, which is like really crazy because it's been 80 this week and I'm so excited. So yeah, I need to do something with this hair and then set up my lights and everything for a video, and I'll kind of like show you guys how I do that. I actually reorganized, and instead of having my lights in my big closet that's like our clothes closet, I ended up changing it. So if you guys watch my try-ons, this is where I do my try-ons. Actually, it's usually in the corner there, but this is what I'm wearing today. I think all of this stuff is actually from recent try-ons. This is Target, Old Navy, and Old Navy. So I will link that stuff down below, as well as the videos where I try this stuff on. This is the closet now that is for my filming stuff. So I have all my lights, tripod, reflector, my bag that holds like a lot of my camera stuff. So that's what I'm dealing with now, and I love this so much more because I can actually use my other closet. Okay, so this is where I sit in the mornings and just kind of like hang out, drink coffee, go through some work stuff, pin stuff on Pinterest, all that jazz. If you're not following me on Pinterest, make sure to do so, because I'm putting stuff on there, a lot of inspiration for my hauls and stuff. And I need to take my balance supplement. I am still taking this, and I really like it for not only acne, but like my mood and stuff like that. I'll probably stop taking it in a couple months, just depending on how my skin is doing and everything. I haven't had breakouts in a while, and this random one popped up and I was like, ah, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take that now. All right, so I actually have some makeup on now. I just did a very, very natural 5-product no makeup routine, and I filmed that for my channel, so that will be up. Will that be up yet? I don't know. It might be up already. I want to show you what I did for this setup. This is not my usual setup, but I wanted something a little bit more relaxed and like natural. So this is what I did. So this is my desk over here. I just washed makeup brushes the other day, so that's why. And I was sitting here on the stool, had my obviously camera and mic there, and then I just had one light here, and then obviously the window light. So then I had this in the background, and this is my view. This is my view while filming. She actually was sitting there the entire time too. So that's what the behind the scenes looks like when I film this kind of video. So yeah, make sure to go check out that video if you are curious to see what it actually looks like when I'm sitting behind the camera. But I'm gonna run a couple errands. I need to go to Walmart and the dollar store, I believe. Hello, sweet baby. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Oh, hello. How are ya? So I'm a horrible YouTuber and totally forgot to bring you guys with me to Walmart. And I also went to Hobby Lobby and the dollar store. So I'll show you what I got. It's not very interesting, but you know, why not show you? So I ended up getting 2 of these like ceramic-y pots and a little disc for one of them to sit on. I'm gonna flip one over to be kind of like a plant stand, and then the other one actually pot my fiddle leaf in. And right now this is the situation that I wanna show you. So right now I have this laundry basket that I spray painted gold, but it's like breaking. And I mean, it was $1 at the dollar store. And then just the regular plastic one for my fiddle leaf, and so I need to repot that really bad, and then I'm gonna use the other one as a stand, and then probably just get rid of this. And then my blanket basket is now a stand for my full-length mirror, because long story short, to do these videos, I need a full-length mirror like the try-on videos, but my full-length mirror that I have is actually in Michigan because when we went to Pennsylvania, I was like, oh, we don't need it because we had mirrors on the doors, but then this apartment, we don't have a full-length mirror. So I went and I bought this. It was $20. It's okay. It's just not as like big as I want. So anyway, I need that, but like I like to move it around, so I need it elevated, and that bucket is what I'm using right now, even though I like to put blankets in that instead of having them like on the couch like that. So okay, so I forgot I only had dark walnut, so I'm using that, and we'll see how it looks inside once it's all done, but I might end up spray painting everything gold. We'll see. Okay, so I changed, so I could have spray painted, so I'm just in a t-shirt now. But what else I got from the store is more of my daily moisturizing lotion. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, I use that every single night, and then I also use this on my body. That's why I go through it quicker. And it's like $11 for 12 fluid ounces. Who's calling me? It's probably Caleb. Anyway, then I went to the dollar store to get these bins, and if you guys can find these at your Dollar Tree, so that everything's $1, not like Dollar General, you know. I found these, which look so similar to ones from Target, and the ones at Target are like $3 a piece, I think at least, and these are $1. So and then I got this one too, and I'll show you my pantry. I organized my pantry with these, and I just needed more. So this is, look how beautiful that looks. That makes me so happy. So anyway, I use these bins for like snacks and stuff like that. So back there, there's like onions and potatoes and stuff, and then like candy in there. And then I have, if you guys haven't gotten one of these, it's like an organizer for your pots or your pans. Amazing, amazing. So then up here, again, we have that, and then I have cans like that, and then, or did I usually put it up? I think I usually put it up there. And then more stuff up there that's like baking stuff, but I just wanted more of them to really organize everything, like maybe even put cans in these, and then also organize underneath the sink, because under the sink is a disaster. Okay, so Caleb ended up calling me, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to clean the apartment right now because it's driving me nuts, and I need to film and it needs to look good anyway. So here's the apartment. I still need to do some things tomorrow before one of my best friends gets here on Saturday. So anyway, this is what it looks like. So I don't know if I've showed you guys this. This is the pot. Obviously I need to spray paint gold, but look at this. I just showed it on my Instagram the other day. My dad made this, and it's just a piece of wood, and then he nailed these or screwed these brackets in, and there's a bracket on this side and on this side. So it's like when you set it on top of it, it's super sturdy, and it's like just a table. And this is Luna's cage. So this is her cage underneath, and I just have this is actually a shower curtain over top of it. And so now I painted this to match the coffee table and then the other end table over there. And I put a polyurethane coating, or like 4 coats on this, and then I need to touch this up and do the same thing so that this is more durable, because as you can see, this has gotten like just kind of scuffed up and doesn't look as nice as something like this. This looks super nice, and it's a lot more durable. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I need to take that out. That's from my Amazon haul order. And then there's just Luna girl. So yeah, this is the apartment. Not much has changed other than that thing, you know, since you last saw it. So I just realized I was going to show you guys what I do to get ready for my try-on. So I obviously picked out everything, and I want to make different outfits for like each item basically. So like a new outfit for each item that I got basically. So I'm gonna show you kind of how I lay everything out and like what my thought process is. So for the video, you guys have already seen it. It was already up on my channel. So this is one of the outfits. The new pieces are this and the shoes. I just thought I would show them together because why not? But how cute are these shoes? Ooh, gross, my toes. How cute are these shoes? And then this vest is the softest thing ever. I will link the blog post where I link everything, and So amazing. So then I have this jean jacket, which, you guys, this jean jacket is amazing. I've already worn it before I filmed this video and it's amazing. And then I have a gray v-neck, just super simple casual outfit is what I'm thinking for this, because you can dress a jean jacket so many ways. My faux leather leggings from Old Navy that I love, and then I'm probably gonna put some sneakers with this just to be casual. Then I have this sweater and some black jeans, this sweater and this green shirt. I'm kind of having trouble trying to figure out what to do with this. We'll see. This, which again, super soft pullover, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous softness. I love it. And then jeans is kind of what I'm thinking for that one. And then we'll see for the booties. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put with that. And then these booties are part of it as well, and these are my favorite little booties ever. I love the ankle cutout, and they're so comfy, and the heel's not very high. And then I have other shoes right here to like pick from. And then this scarf is just a very simple scarf that I got from Amazon, and I'm doing this casual outfit here, and I'm gonna put a black puffer vest over top of that, so I need to go grab that. And then there's this sweater and jeans, and then I'll probably put like black booties with this or something. So yeah, this is kind of the whole layout. Someone's calling me. So yeah, that's like the whole layout of how I do get ready for a try-on. And then now, since that's all laid out, it just makes filming so much easier, and I can do it like boom, boom, boom. All right, so I just put a little bit more makeup on to get ready for my video, and then I transferred over my plant, and I kind of underestimated how big the plant was. I don't know if it's because the pot was a little different shape. I'm almost scared I should have gotten a bigger pot, but I think it's working. So I don't know. I don't know a lot about plants, so if I did it wrong, I'm sorry. But this is what it looks like now. It looks so much better in an actual pot now, and I have this little Luna stop, this little saucer thing, and I think it looks beautiful. And then the other pot, do you see it out there? It's drying. And then I'm gonna put that underneath it upside down like this is to hold it up, and it's gonna just sit right here, and it's gonna be really cute. And my battery's dying, so I need to go charge this before I film my video. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. I just got done filming the try on and the sit down portions of my Amazon video, so I'll show you guys what the mess is like. Oh my Lord. Okay, well, excuse the fan noise. I just turned this back on, but this is the aftermath of filming a try on clothing haul. Yay. Look how cute this turned out. So there's just a pot, a little saucer thing, and a pot, and that looks black on camera, but it's actually like a dark walnut. So I'm very happy that it looks black, because I wanted black, but I ran out of my black spray paint. So this is now the situation. I love how it looks. I think it looks so cute. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, because I also have this mirror for try-on videos, but like, this probably won't be here all the time, and I'll probably just move this over here. But I wish this bucket could not be for this mirror, because I like it for the blankets, you know, but that's okay. So anyway, that's basically the day for me. I cleaned and, you know, spray painted things and filmed 2 videos. Now I gotta edit. It is like 4:50 or something like that right now. Gotta clean up those clothes, edit this video, and actually do some work for my part-time job. So yeah, it's still busy. And take this girl on a WALK when Caleb gets home, hang out with him. It's gonna be a busy night. So yeah, anyway, I feel like a lot of people think that YouTube stuff, like, YouTube is nice because I can do stuff anytime. So like, I do other things throughout the day sometimes, and then work at night, because I edit at night a lot, and do blog posts and stuff like that. So anyway, say bye, Luna. Yeah, I'm gonna sign off here, you guys, because I have a headache and I need to edit and put this stuff away. So I hope you liked this vlog and liked seeing a little bit more into my life. This isn't like an everyday thing, but you know, it's a decently normal day. If you want to see more vlogs, please let me know. I'm thinking about doing more vlogging, especially maybe in December, because I feel like, you know, a lot of people do Vlogcember, or not Vlogcember, what's it called? Vlogmas. So I don't know, I'm dabbling with that idea. Let me know what you guys think, if you like vlogs or not, because if you don't like vlogs, then whatever, but I think they're fun. So anyway, Luna's whining right now, and I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm rambling like crazy. So I love you guys. Thanks so much for supporting me, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.